we're so excited for LA because we're so excited for Tasty. And it's because of Make-A-Wish that I'm going to Tasty. This is a very big deal. My name is Justin Wing, and I'm 16 years old. I am a heart transplant recipient. Recovery post-transplant was tough, but months later, I became so much better, and I was determined to live a healthy life, and cooking became a big part of that. Make-A-Wish approached me, I learned I had a Make-A-Wish, and I decided to make a cookbook. The goal of the cookbook was for me to live a healthy, normal life. I got the idea to make a video with Tasty because I am an avid Tasty fan. Today is a very special day for me. I will be partnering up with Katie to make Justin's heart-healthy chow mein.
Hey!
Hi!
Justin! I'm Katie. First, I'm gonna give you a tour, and then I'm gonna take you to the Tasty Bar Room, and we're gonna make a video. Are you excited?
Yeah?
Okay, great. Well, just right this way.
Okay.
Let's go. This is where all the magic happens.
Oh, this is a lot. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Seeing the Tasty space, it was a lot more chill than I thought it'd be, and it made me feel very comfortable being there.
This is the camera, and then we'll watch everything up in this monitor right here. Oh, I think that we have a guest.
When Rie showed up, I was shocked. I think I kind of freaked out a bit. She is a normal human being, which I did not expect. She made me feel so welcome. She took a picture with me, and I want to get her autograph.
I heard that you are making a video today with us.
Yeah.
What are you making today?
Chow mein.
Oh wow.
But-
Well, maybe she'll come test some of your food when we're done.
Oh yeah.
Would you like
I love
that?
chow mein.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Sure.
3, 2, 1.
Make it fancy. So this is the pantry. Maybe we should grab a few things for the recipe we're doing.
Yeah, so I think we would need
Some tongs.
some tongs, right?
Absolutely.
Oh my god, you have so
Yes,
many knives.
so many knives.
Oh my god.
Probably need a bigger bowl, right, for
Yeah.
the noodles to hang out in. So in here, this is the Tasty Bar Room, is what we call it. And this is where all our big shows happen.
When I walked into the Tasty stage, I recognized, oh my god, this is where Alvin cooked, and this is where Rie cooked, and this is where Alexis cooked.
And then this is where we're gonna make our video.
I am super excited to make chow mein with Katie today, and being on Tasty is like a dream come true. I am a little nervous about making the Tasty video, but I think Katie will instruct me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make heart-healthy chicken chow mein. I picked it because chow mein is a very popular fast food recipe that's typically unhealthy. It has a lot of oil, it has a lot of soy sauce. I wanted to make it heart-healthy, and I think that for us transplant patients, we don't want to give up those delicious foods. Recovery post-transplant, cooking became a stepping stone to exercise. It may not seem a lot to you, but to me, grabbing the pots and pans, going to the pantry to grab some ingredients, and going to the freezer to grab some more ingredients, and back to the stove was a lot of exercise when I couldn't even barely walk. Cooking for me is an essential part of my health and vital towards my lifestyle that I'm living today. Working at Tasty was juggling two things at once. We had to keep on cooking while looking up at the camera monitor to see if we were in the right positions, and it was a little bit difficult, but Katie really guided me well.
And go for it. Oh, so good. High five.
Okay.
Okay, all right, let's try this.
Wow. I love the flavor.
The garlic.
It is the garlic.
The garlic is really coming through. And the thing is, you had low sodium soy sauce, but it still has tons of flavor.
How did it go? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh,
It was
he's
a lot
doing
of
a
fun.
great job. He's a natural.
Oh, we should hire him.
Yeah.
He was somebody poach him. Yum,
Yeah,
great
you
job.
like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Reappearance.
I think Rie is one of the tougher graders of food at Tasty, so the fact that she liked it really made me happy.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
need to take this down to the leftovers table.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. All right. And we're gonna go right over to that table. Oh, everyone.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
I was a little nervous for other people to try my food, but when I came in, people were like applauding, and that made me feel better. And they all said it was delicious. And you know, we spent like 4 hours making food for something cleared out in 30 seconds. All in all, I would say that the day went excellent. This has kind of been my dream to go on here. And there's just so many great people here, and I love cooking here. My message for people watching is that I'm alive because my donor said yes to donation. There are so many people in our hospitals waiting for life-saving organ transplant. Please go to donatelife.net and sign up to become an organ donor.